Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to open a CD, Certificate of Deposit account, with Marcus by Goldman Sachs, and take advantage of their higher yield options, you've come to the right place. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process of opening a CD account seamlessly. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the Marcus by Goldman Sachs website. Start by visiting the official Marcus by Goldman Sachs website. You can easily find the CD account section by navigating through their products and services. Step 2. Review the CD terms and rates. Before you open an account, take a moment to review the different CD terms and interest rates available. Marcus offers various maturity options ranging from 6 months to 5 years, with competitive higher yield rates. Choose the term that aligns best with your financial goals. Step 3. Click on Open an account. Once you've selected the CD of your choice, click on the Open an Account button. This will take you to the application page where you'll begin the process of creating your account. Step 4. Provide personal information. You'll need to fill out your personal information, including your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Make sure all the details are accurate to avoid any delays in the process. Step 5. Set up your funding source. Next, you'll be asked to select a funding source for your CD. You can link an existing bank account or provide other forms of payment. Ensure that the funds meet the minimum deposit requirement. Step 6. Select your interest payment option. Choose how you want your interest to be paid. You can either have it paid out monthly or allow it to compound until maturity. This decision can significantly impact your overall interest earnings. Step 7. Review and confirm your application. After entering all the required information, review your application carefully. Check for any errors and ensure that you've selected the right terms and conditions. Once you're satisfied, confirm your application to proceed. Step 8. Fund your CD account. After your application is approved, you'll need to fund your CD account. Make the necessary transfer from your linked bank account to complete the process. Step 9. Receive confirmation. Once your CD account is funded, you'll receive a confirmation email from Marcus by Goldman Sachs. This will include details about your new account, including interest rates, maturity date, and any other relevant information. Step 10. Monitor your investment. Keep track of your CD investment through your Marcus account online. You can easily manage your funds and stay updated on interest accrual. And that's it. You're now on your way to growing your savings with a higher yield CD account from Marcus by Goldman Sachs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful.